feet? 15 feet? Feet? Oh, parking. 15 feet. Yeah, I can't park here. I can't park here, dude. Dude, I can't park here, dude. Dude, gotta figure it out. Better parking. Gotta figure out better parking, dude. Dude, I can't park there, dude. Dude. Can I get a parking? Is this a parking? Motherfuck, I think that's a parking. Fuck it. Young Bill Fridge in the parking lot. I don't give a fuck if it's dark or not. It's harder than me trying to park a Dodge. The humongous truck in a 2-car garage. Bus Saturdays.